how to transfer money from your Uber wallet to bank account. So here's what we want to do. You want to load up a web browser on your phone. And here we will go into wallet.uber.com, this website. Here you may need to log into your account, and once you have logged in, it should take you to a page like this, balance, and if you have not connected your bank account, it is going to show you this button. So just press on it and fill out your bank account information, such as your routing number, bank account number, re-enter account number, and date of birth, street, so on and so forth. After you have filled out this information, click on submit. Now, once you click on submit, what this is going to do, instead, it's going to show you cash out here on this page. You will click on cash out or withdraw money. Then just follow the prompts, and that's going to withdraw your Uber balance from your Uber wallet into your bank account. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.